Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for his question. Mr. Speaker, the Protection of Animals Act 1954 is actively enforced by the Fiji Police Force. Animal cruelty and injuring animals are criminal offences and are not treated as minor matters. I'm aware that this act dates to 1954, and the coalition government, this current government, is committed to reviewing all archaic legislative laws, these are the old laws, to ensure it reflects contemporary standards and enforcement realities. Mr. Speaker, for clarity, recorded cases of injuring animals from 2019 to 2020 were 69 cases. From 2021 to 2022 were 79. 23 to 24 were 44 cases. And early this year, until last month, there were 14 cases, and of which 10 were detected. Mr. Speaker, sir, these figures confirm that cases are being registered, investigated, and acted upon. A recent example includes the Nambua incident involving the killing of a pet dog, where a suspect was identified and charged. I acknowledge public concern regarding perceived delays. However, the absence of an immediate arrest does not equate to inaction by the police. Police investigations must meet evidential and legal thresholds before charges can be laid. I have raised some of these concerns directly with the Commissioner of Police, including the need to reinforce urgency, review outstanding reports, and strengthen coordination with recognized animal welfare organizations. Mr. Speaker, sir, animal cruelty will not be tolerated. Enforcement remains firm, lawful, and ongoing. Naivalurua.